You will never know. That was a snapdragon. An example of incomplete dominance. That's a flower. I know. That's a snap. That's like a dick because I haven't said bless you. Fingertip against the base of your. I don't know. The problem is energy. Rich is no. I don't care.
Be a website, not a blog.
I don't care.
No, yeah. You never know.
Such a nervous wreck. Tommy is stillborn, which causes Stu to sit in the basement and make toys for his son that he'll never have a chance to live. So that he'll never have a chance to live. And the DeVilles had an abortion. Oh my god. Angelica couldn't decide whether the unborn child would be male or female, thus simply inventing the same character in her head twice with different genders. Mine fucking blow.
Wow.
Don't believe it. There was one thing, and it was like someone's mind-blowing thing, and if you read it through, and you think about it, the person makes no sense. Yeah.
Oh my god. I'm dead. Bad. I do that all the time.